In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coupon codes in Kajabi. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to make sure your coupon applies to the right offers. Start in your Kajabi dashboard and navigate to Sales, then select Coupons. This is your central hub for creating and managing all discounts. Once you're there, click the New Coupon button to start a fresh coupon. You'll first choose the type of coupon you want. Single coupon creates one code that many people can use, which is perfect for public promotions like a seasonal sale. Bulk codes generates a batch of unique codes automatically, ideal for one-time use scenarios such as gifting, affiliates, or limiting redemption to specific individuals. Pick the option that matches how you plan to distribute the discount. Next, configure your coupon. If you chose a single coupon, type in a custom code. Keep it simple and memorable, short, readable, and aligned with your promotion. If you selected bulk codes, Kajabi will generate the codes for you, so you won't need to type them manually. Now select the discount type. Percentage off reduces the price by a set percentage, while amount off subtracts a fixed dollar amount. If you want to create a completely free offer, choose percentage off and set the discount to 100%. That's the cleanest way to give full access at no cost. If the offer you're discounting is a payment plan or a subscription, you'll also choose how long the discount lasts. You can set it to apply once for a certain number of months or forever. Use a single application for one-time promotions, a limited number of months for introductory pricing, or forever for lifetime member perks. Consider how the duration aligns with your revenue goals and customer experience. Click Continue, then add the specific offer or offers that the coupon will apply to. This step is crucial. A coupon only works on the offers you include here. If an offer isn't added, the coupon won't be accepted at checkout for that item. Double-check the list to make sure your intended products are covered. Finally, save the coupon. That's it. Your discount is ready to go and can be shared with your audience wherever you promote your offer. Remember, clear naming helps you keep track of campaigns, and thoughtful selection of discount type and duration ensures your coupon supports your pricing strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with Kajabi coupons.